Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, we'll be discussing with you how to return your Hertz rental car. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to return your car rental or the car that you rented from Hertz here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to fill up the tank or charge the battery here. Now, before heading back, make sure to replace the gas you use so it matches the level you started with. Now, if you've rented an EV, make sure it has the required charge level. Now, if you prepaid for the fuel, you can skip this part and just drive straight to the drop-off place or location. Next is you want to head to the return location. Now, follow your map or the signs to the Hertz return area. Now, if you're at an airport, look for the rental car return signs. Now, for neighborhood spots, just pull right into their parking lot. Now, in some cases, you may want to contact or call the actual location first to see what exactly is the full process. Now, sometimes per location, steps may be different. Now, from then on, once you verified that the location is available and also you know the steps or the necessary files that you need to bring with you in order for you to return the car, you should be able to park and grab your stuff. Now, once you find a spot in the designated Hertz area, park the car, do a thorough sweep here, double check your trunk, under the seats, and the glove box to make sure you aren't leaving behind any charging cables, sunglasses, or bags, or any personal items. Now, from then on, if an agent greets you outside with a tablet, just leave the keys in the car and they'll check you out in a minute. Now, if you're dropping it off after hours or inside a neighborhood office, just lock the car and drop the keys in a secure Hertz key return box. Again, you may want to contact their location first to see the exact steps and what to do and what location that you may need to look for. Now, if an agent checks you in, so you'll get a receipt right there. Now, if you use the Dropbox or Express return, just keep an eye on your email. Hertz will send your final receipt over as soon as they process the car. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.